How to add safeguard on your Telegram. What's up everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you guys how you can easily add safeguard on your Telegram to make your chats more secure. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. Without any further ado, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is open up your Telegram and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you are inside your account, you just want to choose a channel or a group that you want to add the safeguard on or that you want to protect. So for example, I have this group right here. It could be a group or a channel or anything. Now what you're going to do here is tap on the group info and you have an option to add members. So go ahead and tap on add members. Now here you can just search for safeguard bot. And once you find it, you can just tap on the safeguard verified bot and then tap on done. Now it will ask you if you're sure that you want to add them as a member, and you can do that. So once you have done that, as you can see, safeguard has been added to your chat. So all you need to do now is simply go ahead and tap on safeguard, and if you want to give this admin access to hit this bot, you can just tap on the channel and then give it admin access. So it's as easy as that. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.